Could XRP finally be about to make a major break? Authorities in the US say they want to settle their case with Ripple's CEO. If this deal goes through, it could have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency market. People who own XRP have been waiting for this moment for years, seeing how legal fights kept the coin from reaching its full potential. Now that there is a possible deal, though, everything could change in an instant. Some experts think that this could be the start of XRP's biggest rise ever, with a price target of $8,300 being suggested as the ultimate goal. Even though that number seems impossible, there are real reasons to believe it. Could XRP finally be free from the worry of new rules? Maybe a lot of big buyers will rush into the market after this case is over. The most important question is whether or not XRP could really reach such a huge price. Check out this movie to learn more about the SEC settlement and what it means for Ripple's CEO, and why some experts think XRP could go through the roof way beyond anyone's wildest dreams. Let's talk about the specifics. Ripple and the SEC have been in a harsh court battle for years, which has put a shadow over the future of XRP. In December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple Labs, saying the company was selling XRP as an unregistered investment. This was the start of everything. The case shook the whole crypto industry. The price of XRP dropped, and some exchanges took the token off their lists for fear of getting in trouble with the government. On the other hand, Ripple didn't give up. The business fought hard, saying that XRP is not a security and that the SEC was targeting them unfairly while letting other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum work openly. There has been a big change after years of back and forth court cases. Reports say that the SEC has put forward a deal, although the deal's exact terms have not been made public yet. Experts think that Ripple may have to pay a large fine, agree to certain rules set by regulators, or even change how XRP works in the US. But what's more important is that a deal could finally get rid of the doubt that has been stopping XRP for so long. If XRP is officially no longer considered a security, it could lead to a lot of institutional adoption and a return to big exchanges like Coinbase that took it off their lists because of legal concerns. Garlinghouse has been sure of himself throughout the case, saying more than once that Ripple would not settle unless it was good for the whole crypto business. If he agrees to the terms, it could mean that Ripple sees this as a chance to move forward without getting into more legal trouble. However, if the settlement includes fines or limits on his work for the company, it could change Ripple's leadership and strategy in the long run. Now, the big question is what the market will do. As rumors of the deal spread, XRP's price started to move, but the biggest change will happen when an official agreement is made public. In the past, big legal wins have caused crypto prices to go through the roof, and if XRP is legally cleared, demand could go through the roof. But does that really mean XRP can get to $8,300? Now, let's look at where this price guess comes from. Someone said that XRP could reach $8,300, which caused a lot of buzz, but where did they get that number? Some experts think that XRP could see a huge rise in institutional adoption if Ripple wins its case against the SEC and completely clears up the rules. The logic is easy to understand. Due to the ongoing lawsuit, big investors and financial institutions have been hesitant to fully embrace XRP. But if the lawsuit is settled, XRP could see huge partnerships, more liquidity, and a level of popular adoption that it has never seen before. One of the main reasons for this forecast is the way XRP is meant to be used. Unlike many cryptocurrencies, which are mostly used as trade assets, XRP was made to be useful in the real world, especially for sending money across borders. With Ripple's technology, banks and other financial institutions can send money across countries very quickly and for a lot less money than with traditional banking systems. If all global banks and payment networks use XRP as a bridge exchange, the price of the token could go through the roof. After that, there's the supply part. Bitcoin has a fixed quantity of 21 million coins. XRP, on the other hand, began with 100 billion tokens, but a lot of them were locked up in escrow. As Ripple keeps releasing XRP little by little and more businesses start to use it, the supply could get smaller over time, which would drive up the price. Some experts think this could happen in a way similar to Bitcoin's halving events, where the supply is cut in half and the price goes through the roof. Technical experts also say that price patterns from the past show that the lawsuit has been holding back XRP for years. They say that XRP could finally follow the bigger crypto bull cycles if there wasn't any legal doubt. During the next market run, if Bitcoin hits $60,000 and large institutions put money into controlled crypto assets, XRP could quickly break out. But does this mean that $8,300 is a good amount of money? Some people think it's possible if there are clear regulations, a lot of people using crypto, and the market growing quickly. Others say that price would need to be trillions of dollars in market value. Before getting too excited, it's important to think about what could stop XRP from getting to this level. Next, let's break those down. Even though the $8,300 price target is exciting, there are a number of big problems that could stop XRP from hitting that level of value. The first and most clear problem is that regulators aren't sure what will happen. If the SEC makes a deal with Ripple, it doesn't mean that lawmakers all over the world will suddenly accept XRP. Other governments and financial officials could put their own limits on XRP, which would make it harder for it to be used around the world. Cryptocurrency prices can change quickly, and regulators can change their minds at any time, which could make it harder for Ripple to carry out its long-term plans. The state of the market is another important issue. Cryptocurrency prices don't change on their own. As of now, Bitcoin is still the market leader, and most altcoins follow its trends, even with XRP. If Bitcoin goes on a big bull run, XRP could reach new highs. But if the market stays unsettled, XRP's growth could be slower than expected. What makes a big difference in how much money moves into crypto is things like inflation, interest rates, and stock market trends. If big buyers stay cautious or choose assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum over XRP, it might limit how much the ticket is worth. Then there's how investors feel. Even though there are loyal users of XRP, the case has kept many would-be investors away for years. Will a lot of small investors rush into XRP once it is cleared, or will they move on to younger, more popular projects? The crypto world is always changing, and new rivals in the payments markets such as central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and stablecoins could make people less interested in XRP's technology. For XRP's value to really skyrocket, it needs more than just clear laws. It needs to be widely used in real life. Lastly, the difference between speculation and fact is a big problem. Predictions of high prices are exciting, but for XRP to reach $8,300, its market value would have to be several trillion dollars, making it more valuable than most global banks. Is that possible in the next few years? Most likely not. That doesn't mean, though, that XRP can't make big gains. If the settlement leads to a rush of usage, the price of XRP could still go up a lot, but maybe not as much as some people think. What will happen next? Does XRP